Okay, this recipe we're going to do of whole fried chicken. The cut is called spatchcock. It's basically one whole chicken. It's like this. And you split from here. So basically if you split the chicken, from here, the back ways, if you don't want this, the neck, you can remove it. Remove the skin. You cut here, the bone, and then you just press it down. And there's an easy way to, fry the whole chicken, or you can grill it. And I scored it here. And if you can see here, inside everywhere, I run the knife through, so it cooks faster. So put it like, so when you fry, you can fry the whole thing. So I'm going to make a nice crushed masala mix of freshly grinded or freshly crushed. Crushed is better, so you can get some bite size and nice flavor. Okay, let's start. So for the marinade masala, for the crushed spices, I got some whole red chili, 2 number, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, ginger around 1 big 2. So garlic cloves around 5 to 6 cloves, medium size garlic cloves. Green chili, the small size, around 4 number. Cloves, 1 teaspoon. Fennel, 1 teaspoon again. So we're going to crush everything together with some lime juice or lemon juice you can use. We're going to crush and then going to apply to the chicken. So now put everything into a mortar and pestle. We're going to crush it with adding a bit of lemon juice as well. Lemon or lime juice you can put around 2 tablespoons. So now the mixture has been crushed. You can see it's fibrous, you can see all the pieces, but it's a nice flavor. Now I'm going to rub this into the chicken. So now to the chicken, just rub it nicely. And meanwhile I'm sprinkling salt, around 1/4 teaspoon. So once outside the flesh side is done, I'm going to turn this. Okay, do this side as well, do the inside nicely. So now we carefully massage everywhere, in every pockets, every incision we made, and leave it to rest. If you want to make it immediately, at least half an hour resting, or the best is use it next day. Now after half an hour you take the chicken, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, chili powder. You can use Kashmiri degi mirch powder, so that's nice color, not that spicy, because you got 3 different chilies inside, or spicy. You got black pepper, you got whole red chili, green chili as well. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt. If you need, you can add a pinch more. Now mix everything, massage nicely, and then turn it. This is ready after adding the powdered spices. Okay, you leave it for 5 more minutes. But if in a restaurant, the best way is marinate like this. Keep it ready for your service. And before you fry it, I'm just putting 1 tablespoon of rice nicely everywhere. So it just forms a nice crust. When you fry, the masala will be kept intact. It doesn't lose in the oil. Turn it and add half a tablespoon of rice flour here as well. So even the back side also coated nicely. Here's a nice crust. So the chicken we're going to drop in the oil. Oil is very hot, at least 170 degree if you want to check in the probe. So the flesh side I'm going to put the down slowly. Yeah, good enough. Now just lift it up carefully using a strong tongs. Then slightly, make sure you have a good support. Turn it. So that's it. Amazing. It's crunchy. You can pour the oil on the top, so it's keep on frying. Keep it moist and get more crunchy as well. So now it's ready. We fried almost like 15 minutes. Should be good enough. Careful, make sure it's strong enough. You can hold, both legs should be evenly hold, so carefully lift it. Ensure it doesn't break immediately. Put onto a kitchen towel. Now to present, on a wooden board, you can just place like this nicely. and any crunch or crust left over, you can put it on the top. You can serve with some lachha onion. Lachha is very thinly sliced onion. You wash it in ice cold water so the pungency goes away, and it doesn't smell that much also. So put it on the side like this. If you have a lemon, you can put lemon or some green chili. Straight like this, good enough. And a knife, I just place it here, like in a standing or on a side, and a fork.